बीईटी सादतुन्निसा डिग्री कॉलेज लड़कियों की तालीमी तरक्की के लिए बेहतरीन नताइज के साथ बेहतरीन खिदमात अंजाम देता आ रहा है। ज़बान के एतबार से इंग्लिश कन्नड़ा में महारत बल्कि उर्दू को फ़रोग़ दिया है। इस एतबार से बेहद ज़रूरी होता है कि वालिदैन अपने बच्चों की तालीमी तरक्की के लिए बीईटी सादतुन्निसा डिग्री कॉलेज बिस्मिल्लाह नगर में दाखिला ज़रूर दिलाएँ। सदा-ए-हिंद उर्दू, मैं हूँ इम्तियाज़ुल्लाह खान काशफी।
BISMILLAH Sada-E-Hind Degree College for Women, a minority institution, has emerged as one of the best institutions in Bangalore South. We offer programs BA, BCom, BBA and BCA and 1 year part-time certificate course in Kannada language for non-Kannada speakers. College is affiliated to Bengaluru City University. It is NAG accredited B++, ISO 9001-2015 certified institution and is also recognized by UGC under section 2F. Education is the greatest tool for women empowerment. We at BET empower our students to achieve more in their social, economic, career and family lives. We provide countless opportunities to our students to take part in co-curricular activities and community service to broaden their exposure and insight. We not only guarantee you academic excellence, but will also play a great role in the holistic development of our students. We describe ourselves as a community where parents, teachers and support staff work together in partnership to advance the learning and growth of our students. We are at the forefront in our fight against poverty and inequality. We provide scholarships to orphan students and financially underprivileged students to pursue their higher education. We are also in the forefront in encouraging married girls to dive into the academic world, complete their higher education and excel in their chosen field. The desire, the dedication, the commitment, the cooperation and the teamwork amongst our respected management members, the teachers, support staff and students have made our college an ideal institution of higher learning for women.
बीईटी सादतुन्निसा डिग्री कॉलेज बिस्मिल्लाह नगर बेंगलुरु शहर का एक मारूफ इदारे के तौर पर माना जाता है, जहां लड़कियों की तालीम और तरक्की के लिए कॉलेज इंतज़ामिया ने आदाब और सलीक़ेकारी के साथ चलाने का बेड़ा उठा रखा है। कॉलेज इंतज़ामिया बिलखुसूस सेक्रेटरी मोहम्मद सैफुल्लाह का कहना है कि लड़कियों की तालीम जहां ज़रूरी, लड़कों की तालीम भी ज़रूरी है। इन्होंने कहा कि तालीमी निज़ाम के साथ तहज़ीब व तमद्दुन को बाकी रखें, तालीमी इनक़िलाब अपने सही हक़ाइक़ और अक़ाइद के साथ असली तालीम निज़ाम को ज़िंदगी का मायार बनाए। इन्होंने कहा कि इसी को बुनियाद बनाते हुए बीईटी डिग्री कॉलेज सरगर्म है ताकि तलबा यहाँ से अपने मुल्क की सही खिदमात अंजाम दे सकें। सदा-ए-हिंद उर्दू, मैं हूँ इम्तियाज़ुल्लाह खान काशफी।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं खानम सेकेंड ईयर बीकॉम स्टूडेंट ऑफ BET Sada-E-Hind Degree College. I feel proud to be in part of BET Sada-E-Hind and BET Sada-E-Hind Degree College. I am an outstanding student and I have scored distinction in my previous semester examination. And I am a rank aspirant. I teach my fellow classmates the topics which are already covered and in a more friendly and an interesting way so that they could have a closure to it. I am very proud to be a part of BET institution. Thank you.
In last 25 years, BET Sada-E-Hind Degree College has grown by leaps and bounds. It is an ISO certified, NAG re-accredited with a CGPA of 2.97, and missing a grade by a whisker, the college has become the hub of academic excellence. The college achieves 100% results with 100% outstanding, and also college has produced a university rank in BCA department. Securing centums has become the regular feature of our college.
The indoor stadium is an integrated facility for sports activities which facilitates the training of athletes for both district and state level competitions like tennis, kabaddi, kho-kho, tug of war, etc.
The college provides world-class infrastructure for the students to pursue their undergraduate courses, be it ICT support classrooms, digital library, multi-purpose hall, indoor stadium, and highly advanced systems, computer lab, language labs. The college also provides serene, clean, secluded atmosphere for the students.
मैं इकबत जहाँ शोबा उर्दू BET सादतुन्निसा डिग्री कॉलेज पिछले 10 साल से खिदमत अंजाम दे रही हूँ। ये कॉलेज पिछले 25 साल से तालीमी खिदमत अंजाम दे रहा है। यहाँ कई बैचेस ज़ेवर तालीम से आरास्ता होकर ज़िंदगी के मुख्तलिफ मैदानों में अपने कामयाबी के झंडे लहरा चुके हैं। हमारी कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रैंड कमीशन से रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है, ISO सर्टिफाइड है। हाल ही में हमने NAC फेस किया था जिसमें हमें B++ मिला है। ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही खुशाइन बात है। हमारी कॉलेज में खुसूसन लड़कियों की तालीम के ऊपर खास तवज्जो दी जाती है। जिम्मेदाराने BET हर बार लड़कियों के लिए कुछ न कुछ सहूलतें फराहम करते रहते हैं। स्कॉलरशिप जैसे कि स्कॉलरशिप हो, तालीमी मैदान हो, हर शोबे में लड़कियों को आगे बढ़ने के लिए हर मुमकिन कोशिश करते रहते हैं। BET सादतुन्निसा डिग्री कॉलेज में न सिर्फ कोर्स बैचेस से रिलेटेड कोर्स किया जाता है बल्कि उन्हें ऐसे कोर्स भी दिए जाते हैं जिस तरह के कन्नड़ा सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स, उर्दू लर्निंग क्लासेस का भी एहतमाम किया गया है। ऐसे उर्दू लर्निंग क्लासेस ऐसे तलबात के लिए कायम किया गया है जो बिल्कुल भी उर्दू नहीं जानते। उर्दू सर्टिफिकेट का बाकायदा इंतजाम किया जाता है, बच्चों से इम्तिहान लिया जाता है और जो बच्चे इस इम्तिहान में अच्छे नंबरात से कामयाबी हासिल करते हैं उन्हें सनद और मेडल भी BET इदारे जानिब से दिया जाता है। BET सादतुन्निसा डिग्री कॉलेज में इन साल दाखिले शुरू हो चुके हैं। मैं आप तमाम वालिदैन से गुजारिश करती हूँ कि आप अपने लड़कियों को इसी कॉलेज का इंतखाब करें क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ कॉलेज में उर्दू लड़कियों को न सिर्फ पढ़ाया जाता है बल्कि उनकी अखलाकी नशोनुमा भी की जाती है। मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि आप वालिदैन एक बार BET सादतुन्निसा कॉलेज में दाखिले के बारे में जरूर सोचें।
The training and placement cell of our college plays a crucial role in guiding and providing complete assistance to all the UG passing out students for their entry into suitable employment and successful career. The placement cell conducts career guidance programs for all the registered students. The cell organizes various training programs including mock exams, interviews, communication skills, group discussions, seminar, etc. in order to meet the requirement of the job industries. These are the passed out students who are placed in multinational companies. Thank you.
When we are talking about soul-filling Johnson or a partnership on the decision-making phase, right? So decision-making in a large-scale organization, it will be in the hands of the boards of member, that is director, managing director, and in managing director, then we have a subordinate, superior subordinate, then we have different type of steps will be there, that is employer will be there, and then again.
BET Sada-E-Hind College, located in BISMILLAH Nagar, Bengaluru, is the only women college in the vicinity which provides a safe and secure environment to the students. The college is easily accessible for students to commute. College bus facility is provided for safe and hassle-free transportation of the staff and students from various parts of the city. Highly qualified faculties impart knowledge to empower and encourage women to face the challenges of life and to be good individual and an asset to the family, community and nation. Reasonable and affordable fee structure along with scholarship assistance is provided to the students. Value-added online certifications are provided to students in collaboration with IBM 1M 1B Skills Build program. Industrial visits, internships, career guidance programs and placement drives are organized for the students. The institution has grown by leaps and bounds. The management members have put their heart and soul to bring the institution to this level and have never hesitated to work an extra mile to promote the overall holistic development of the students. BET Sada-E-Hind College is the place to enrich yourself and unleash your potential. Looking forward to joining hands with new, enthusiastic and enlightening minds on their path.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ?
ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ ವೀಕ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಡೀತೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥ್ರೂ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಥ್ರೂನೇ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ರೊಟೀನ್ ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಆಡಿಟ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಬೇಸಿಸ್.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Sania Kursit from BET Sada-E-Hind Degree College. I have completed my 4 sems in BET Sada-E-Hind Degree College. I have scored centum in 2 subjects in my 3rd sem and 4th sem with overall exemplary results. Trying my best in order to complete my degree in 5th sem and 6th sem and score best results. I am NSS leader. I am NSS leader. We have conducted blood donation camp, free eye checkup camp, creating awareness among the people of for drugs. I am the proud student of BET. Thank you.
Select control panel, then click on the network connections and internet, then networks share option. In the authentication you have, right click properties will get, click on the properties,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And right now I have completed my 4 semesters in BET Sada-E-Hind Degree College. In the last 4 semesters consistently I have scored 90% in my examinations and I have scored centum in operating system and Unix subject. We have well equipped lab, computer lab with minimum systems.
Our sports room comprises of various sports equipments. This room is specially designed with indoor games like carom, chess, mind games, etc. as these games have a vital role to play in the overall growth of mind and body of the Digitization is one of the hottest trends in library management. Our e-library provides around-the-clock access to online digital resources. It provides free copies of books, journals, magazines, previous year question papers and project reports to meet the present and future information, etc. to our students and faculties. The library is fully automated and regularly updated with the latest books of knowledge.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Nida Kausar, currently pursuing my 6th SEM in BA. This is our digital library in which we have access to Inflibnet and Inflibnet software, by which we have access to different authors of publications, and it makes our studies much easier.
Assalamu alaikum. We have two libraries, digital library and reference library. Our digital library is automated with EasyLib software and Inflibnet software to access e-resources anywhere at any time. Reference library is well stocked that consists of selected textbooks, reference books, manuals, project reports, encyclopedias, government notifications, national and international journals reviewed, popular magazines and leading daily newspapers, and fully set up to meet the requirements of students. Thank you.
Our prayer hall allows the students to step off the busy roller coaster ride to pause, breathe, and unite body and spirit.
The entire campus is under CCTV surveillance to ensure safety and security at all times. The staff rooms are very spacious and well ventilated. Each faculty is given a personal space to keep their reference books, teaching and learning material. They are meant to build up a friendly, professional and efficient service. Spacious and well ventilated classrooms have a correlation with the academic performance of the students. A well furnished classroom with ICT facilities is very essential to promote the teaching and learning process, with the focus on the learning outcomes of the courses. The auditorium is spacious, well ventilated and has all the facilities to enhance the learning process, and is a vast space that serves the varied requirements of quality education.
This area is one of the important part of student life, where one can find most of students chatting and relaxing during leisure time. It plays a vital role in reducing stress and provides refreshment to students.